Samsung has gradually but steadily pushed its launches earlier and earlier each year. Right now, the Galaxy S series is set to be announced in January, giving it a significant advantage over the competition. And we expect the Galaxy S26 Ultra to be launched in January 2026, though some speculations say that Samsung is attempting to push the release date even earlier, to the end of 2025. On the front, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a new COE OLED display with an imbued color filter layer within the light-emitting OLED panel, resulting in clearer, sharper, and more vivid imagery, as well as a 6.9-inch screen, which appears to be the current limit of what power users are willing to deal with. It's large, yet tolerable when the bezels are narrow enough. The S26 Ultra will achieve peak brightness of 3000 nits. So, the show is set to get much more vibrant and dazzling. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will include a 200-megapixel main wide camera with a bigger 1x 1.1-inch Sony sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 200-megapixel 4x zoom camera, and a 12-megapixel front selfie camera. In terms of specifications, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be powered by the latest Snapdragon flagship, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, which features a 3nm CPU, 12GB of RAM, and a 5300 mAh battery. It will also include a new Adreno 840 GPU, as well as 65W wired and 25W wireless charging options. It will ship with the upcoming UI 8 based on Android 16. Should you wait for the next Samsung phone or not? If you already own a Galaxy S24 Ultra or S23 Ultra, you should wait for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. These flagships still have lots of juice and will last well into 2026, when the S26 Ultra is released. Once you've seen everything it has to offer, you'll be able to make a more informed decision about whether to participate. If you need an update and a high-quality phone right now, don't wait for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. The S26 Ultra won't be available for another half year or so. If your current phone is falling apart, simply grab the S25 Ultra. It is fantastic right now, and odds are it will be able to hold its own against the S26 Ultra next year. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.